Hi guys, Casey here with Modern Witch Doctor. So today I am on Assateague Island. It's a beautiful island off the coast of Virginia that's well known for its wild horse population. I came here just really as a little getaway, spiritual trip. And I'm also here because I want to harvest some seawater from the Atlantic Ocean to make salt. Now, most of you know salt is an excellent preservant for meat, for all kinds of things, for ferments. And the main reason I'm harvesting it is I want to incorporate natural materials into my homemade wild ferments that I'm going to be making. So today I'm going to show you guys how it is that we turn seawater into sea salt. I used a turkey baster to suck up as much water as possible without sucking up any salt. You should end up with a salty slur when you're finished. Now place the slur on a tray or a pan to allow the rest of the water to evaporate naturally. I placed mine outside in the sun, but if you'd rather, you do have the option of placing your sludge on a dehydrator and dehydrating overnight. Once your salt is completely dry, it will look like this, and you can scrape it off of your pan or cutting board. You will then use and store this salt just as you would any normal salt. So there you have it, guys. That is the extremely easy yet extremely time-consuming process to making your own sea salt. Now, to give you guys an example, this amount of salt is what I obtained from a little over a half gallon of seawater. So this gives you a good estimate on how much water that it takes to actually make a good bit of salt. Now, salt is an amazing commodity, especially if, God forbid, shit hits the fan ever. Salt is an excellent preserving agent. So you can use salt to preserve meat, to preserve fish. You can use it in pickling brines and brines. You can use it in fermentation. Salt is excellent commodity to have. And as we know, the world is headed all kinds of directions. It's good to know how to obtain these natural minerals for your own use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty short video. Obviously, there's not much to talk about. It's a pretty simple process, but I highly recommend this process. If you are somebody that lives close to an ocean or to a body of seawater, salt water, I highly recommend doing this. This is a great form of foraging. It's a great form of self-sufficiency and also self-sustainability. So until next time, guys, as always, get outside and stay wild.